people. Right now we are gonna show you how the rain, the little hurricane, where it do to the river. Chopper. Right now we are gonna travel the whole place. We are gonna find the stream. We can't find the stream, it's too far. But yeah, we are traveling the place.
We are trying to find it.
Yo, we are going outside now and see what I want. So I'm showing you what I want, people. Watch the drift. Oh, that's all we are. Yo, Chopper. We are going there, sir.
Yeah.
We are going there, sir. So, we'll just show you where it to the river. Yo, at them place at Christopher Lolo. Where me and Christopher Columbus coming up? Outside. Like an adventure park, youth. Hold on, oh, you're so deep. Alright, we are going behind another big stone now. Brother, you move so slow, you.
More for you.
You want dash it away? Enough? No, man, I wash the dash it away, man. The dash it away, dad. Try the dash it away. Alright. It's going well, it's going well. Alright, so reach on another part now, people. Guys, what are you doing? Man, I'm afraid. Remember to put shoes in the bag. Guys, may I tell you, rough. You see me, sir? We're outside, yo. I'll show you what I'm going. Roll up the pants with them, you know. Ready? Yo, we are moving up, car. To one crocodile. One baby crocodile. Yo, go along. To one baby crocodile. Yo, Kevin. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so I make a move now, people, because I have to build it. Whoa! I have to build a train, you know. Let's go, Paul. Alright. You see what the rain does? Yo, water is a powerful. Yo, the rain bank up so many rocks. Look at that. All of them places are loaded with water, now, people. Covered with water, now. Guys, let's go! What is that? The shampoo for my hair? Eh? That's the shampoo for my hair? Yes. Yes, carrot come. And what's that? That's for the prank?
Yes.
The protein shake for the prank?
Yes.
So this is the shampoo for my hair. Protein shake for the car. Get them dissolved. What you do?
No.
Wait, one.
See me?
Yeah.
And then free now. It's in the one power.
Okay. So guys,
Just stop it. Head up. Sit up. Let's go, guys.
let's go.
Let's go, guys.
So the journey continue, people. So we out. But this normally be a passage to come down in another private area of the pool. Have a pool, which is a part of the river. If you get where I say, people. So look, I have to take time a step. Where's my phone in my hand, even though it's waterproof. But we still have to be careful, you know. We don't want the river wash it for 6. So up there, you can, as you can see up there, trees and the valleys. You see me? You know you have, alright, that's how we can walk go up. Right, that's how you have the roadside up there, so we can go. But we are chat it. We are look for the stream. We know we not find it, but
Check and goal.
Bomba right, that's a deep, bro.
I want to walk in up. That's what I said. Are you here for like a lot? I swear. You know what I'm saying? If you're long sleep.
Let's go, guys. And there we find some people with shovel trending out the river.
Yeah.
See them?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
And dogs too.
Yeah, man, we see dog and
People.
all type of things we see.
These are people.
So, we have to move slow like slug, but I guess what? In a middle stream now, you see? Bomba, what is? Boy. Out. Hey. Outside. Yeah, man, so we reach up to the second pool now. Where we are walk. Right, so as you can see, normally be at the second pool like. Morning. Morning. So as you can see, right, this over the second pool. I see it pull down and pull it down. All this used to be like the spot where you put your bags. Tear down. Yo, this hurricane, I think it never affect the river really bad. You get what I say?
Continue same way.
You are acting like you're scared.
Of course.
And look how the sun out, my yacht.
Get there, get there, my youth. Like it's a burn, my muscle in it.
What?
Burn.
Yeah, I don't feel like we're gonna further that.
I come back.
Yeah, come on, go to Grove.
Oh, I follow.
We want to go Grove, you know. Take your time.
Wrong goal. Guys,
Goal?
I think if I find a goal. A stone.
Guys, we're so forward. We're at Circle Grove. Then link back. I just want to know.
In our mouth is a fat cat.
Like,
Money, chop, chop.
share, subscribe,
She open her
comment,
mouth like a laptop.
and share. You see me?
Sharing at the girl.
Big up on yourself. Don't know any breezy there, I'm there still. You see me? We are check out in 5,
Money.
4,
Chop, chop. In our mouth
Che.
is a fat cat.
2, 1.
Girl, 17 years like sweet up.